Let's explore the Where Was functionality, which is the device logbook of your historical routes. Select for which device, in the Devices list, you want to check the past tracking information. Select the date and time from which you want to load Where Was data. Beware, the latest 60 days of data is available for consultation. You may select the number of position that you want to see on each request. Clicking on Load will trigger the request. Greenbox will show on map the historical tracking route, from the date and time selected, for as many positions you requested. The green dot is the starting point for each request, while the device icon is the end. You may now browse the data by going forwards, right arrow, or backwards, left arrow. Each dot of the tracking route is a position sent by the device. Click on it to learn all details about each position: speed, geocoordinates, date, and time. You may also bring up the device details or the virtual dashboard and check the information changing while clicking on dots. All events or alarms detected by your device will be also visible on the map. Flag or unflag the Show Events options to show or hide events and alarms from Where Was data.